In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome full screen. Whether you're working on a project or simply enjoying a movie online, going full screen can enhance your browsing experience by removing distractions and allowing you to focus entirely on the page in front of you. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do this quickly and easily. First, we need to open Google Chrome. If you're not already using it, simply look for the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Give it a click, and once the browser window is up on your screen, you're ready to proceed to the next step. The quickest way to toggle full screen mode on or off is to press F11 on your keyboard. It's a handy shortcut that most people overlook. So try it out now. Pressing F11 instantly switches Chrome's view to full screen, hiding all toolbars and the tab strip so you can immerse yourself fully. If you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts, or perhaps you're using a different setup without easy access to function keys, there's another way to do it. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. You'll notice a three-dot menu. This is your key to opening more options. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear, showing various tools and settings you can choose from. Next, take your cursor and navigate to the Zoom option in this drop-down menu. Now, here you'll find a small square icon. Often this is represented by an empty square that is your gateway to full screen view. By clicking on this full screen icon, Chrome will expand to occupy your entire screen space, creating a clutter-free environment where you can concentrate on web content uninterrupted by other windows or notifications. At some point, you might want to exit full screen and return to your normal viewing mode, so let's see how you can do that effortlessly. Remember the F11 key we mentioned earlier? Hitting it again will exit full screen mode instantly. But if you've forgotten about that or find it more convenient, you can also use your mouse. Move it up to the very top of your screen while in full screen mode. You'll notice a hidden toolbar appearing with an X icon that you can click to exit full screen. And that's about it. You've now learned how to seamlessly toggle between full screen and normal browsing modes in Google Chrome. Simple, right? Try these methods out and see which one works best for you. Whether you're giving a presentation, watching a video, or just browsing, this feature is sure to enhance your experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy browsing with an uncluttered, focused view.